Great. So yeah, as I said, my elevator pitch consists of 3 slides from my main talk. So if this is too quick or imprecise for you, I'll of course return to everything I say here in more detail shortly. Um, so one of the main mathematical motivations of our work was to understand aspects of finite group theory using ideas from physics. And in particular, the finite simple groups are thought to be fully classified by now. And that classification reveals, in addition to 3 infinite families, 26 exceptional cases, which are depicted in this diagram. An arrow from one group to another is meant to signify that the first group arises as a subquotient inside of the second group. And so you can see that the exceptional groups participate in a apparently very chaotic web of relationships with one another. So we really wanted to see this bouquet of groups arise in a physical construction somehow. And the punchline will be that we are able to see at least part of that diagram by playing certain games with the monster CFT, which, as the name suggests, is a conformal field theory whose symmetry group is the monster group, which is also the largest of the exceptional finite groups. More specifically, we'll show that we can construct a web of chiral algebras, one for each node in the graph below, with the property that the chiral algebra associated to a group G has G as its inner automorphism group, and also with the further nice property that these chiral algebras will have sort of the same arrows as their corresponding groups do. In other words, if one group includes into another one as a subquotient, then their corresponding chiral algebras mirror this inclusion. And the sort of idea is that everything to the right of this red line that I've drawn is a sporadic group on the nose, and in particular, the part of the graph to the right of the red line is a subgraph of the previous diagram that I showed. And so we succeed in capturing at least a few petals of the bouquet, but we fully expect that several other examples are also within reach. And that's basically all I wanted to say for my elevator pitch.